In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a bet on 1xBet. The process is very simple. First, go to your bet history. As you can see, I've already placed a bet. When I open the bet slip, here is the bet I placed. On 1xBet, some bets can be canceled while others cannot. For example, in this bet, I don't have the option to sell the bet slip. If I click on the three-dot icon, I only get options to copy, print, share, or duplicate, but not to cancel. However, for certain bets, when you click on the bet slip, you will see an option that says Sell Bet Slip. That's the only way to cancel a bet. Simply click on Sell Bet Slip, and you'll be able to sell it back for a reduced price. For example, if your bet was 8,000, you might end up selling it for around 7,000, depending on the situation. And that's how you can cancel a bet on 1xBet.